Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today O-Side Mafia drop a new music video na kasama si Burger on a Beat. Title is We Outside official music video. No, few of you requested mag-react tayo dito. Of course, it's O-Side, man. It's fucking O-Side. So we're gonna listen to it, man. We're gonna listen to it. We're gonna react to it. This is the first one that we're gonna listen to the song and watch the music video. Without no further ado, let's get it. Oh shit, they're actually outside, man. Ang sabi doon, we outside pero di dinrap yung location, as in location. Hey.
Wag mo drop yung lock sa delikado sila sa amin. Wag mo drop yung O kung ayaw maging alanganin. Ipinap yung code kahit nung tanong di na amin. Pagka-drop ng O's madaming mukhang wawasakin. Moving fast outside, they can't outshine us. Yung game, pang finals, finesse yung rivals. Yung drip, designer, the chip, I'm styling yung grip, like mansion, your chick, and fashion. Well, sa pero di din rapin low.
They can just flex na parang wala lang, no? And you can't even doubt it, no? Kasi we all know na na kaya na mag-flex, man. Hey. Is it, parang yung we outside, pero di dinrap yung lock? Parang sinasabi ba nila yun sa mga, like, sa ops or sa, again, rivals nila as they say in here, na sasabihin nila, yung mga rivals nila sinasabi na we outside, pero di naman dinadrop yung location para namin kayo pupuntahan. Diba? Kami, we outside because you guys don't want to smoke, you know? So we're just out here outside. We're just waiting for you, but you don't want to smoke. Hey.
Okay, outside, movie, fast lane, lahat.
Bad bukas yung subtitle. Alam nyo, kaya ayoko magbubukas ng subtitle sa YouTube kasi lalo mong hindi maintindihan lalo kang madidistract. Kasi yung subtitle pa ng YouTube, mali-mali, no? So, mas mabuti na pakinggan mo na lang siya ng raw.
Okay, outside, movie, fast lane, lahat zoom in, mga taga-metro, tamang booming, di na kilometro, dala.
Oh.
Movie, fast lane, lahat zoom in, mga taga-metro, tamang booming, di na.
That's a double, man. So, mga taga-metro, lahat booming. Kasi, taga-metro sila, lahat booming. But again, that's a shout, a reference to Metro Boomin. Metro Boomin is a producer, Hollywood producer.
Okay, outside, movie, fast lane, lahat zoom in, mga taga-metro, tamang booming, di na kilometro, dalang tulin. Backseat, grooving, big body, I'm moving. Sinusulit ko palagi parang first day out, umiikot sa Malate gamit same old route. Hopping out the wave, sino ba dito maangas? So may trip malagas, no laking we packing up the heat. Kakaiba, pinamalas sila, minamalas, we cracking up, passing out.
Ooh, this flow, man.
Tulin, backseat, grooving, big body, I'm moving. Sinusulit ko palagi parang first day out, umiikot sa Malate gamit same old route. Hopping out the wave, sino ba dito maangas? So may trip malagas, no laking we packing up the heat. Kakaiba, pinamalas sila, minamalas, we cracking up, passing out the G, top out 20 deep, rap yung tinitrip. Sa labas di madagit, iba-iba, adi ko lagi para akong naka-cheat.
Iba-iba ang aking ADI na para akong naka-cheat, no? ADI, I mean short for address, no? para akong naka-cheat kasi again, like GTA, pwede kang mag-cheat para magkaroon ka ng maraming pera, of course, for you to purchase na maraming bahay, di ba? Iba-ibang adi para akong naka-cheat. Rap game ang tinitrip.
Okay, outside, movie, fast lane, lahat zoom in. Mga taga-metro, tamang boomin, di na kilometro, dalang tulin. Backseat, groovin, big body, I'm moving. Sinusulit ko palagi parang first day out. Umiikot sa malati gamit same old route. Hopping out the whip, sino ba dito maangas? So may trip malagas, no lacking, we packing up the heat. Kakaiba, pinamalas sila, minamalas, we cracking up. Passing out the G, top out 20 deep, rap yung tinitrip. Sa labas di madagat, iba-iba, adi ko lagi para akong naka-cheat.
That flow is fucking crazy, man. Hey,
They
don't wanna smoke. Hey.
Sobrang tao, I'ma die for my broskies. Sobrang tao, bakit die, mga broskies. Way outside, pero di din rap and low. Way outside, kasi they don't wanna smoke. Sobrang tao, I'ma die for my broskies. Sobrang tao, bakit die, mga broskies.
Ayo, burger on that beat, bitch.
Oside never missed, man. Hey. Nasa tabi lang siya ng police station. Let's go, man. Lalaki ng bayag, no? Alright, that is Oside Mafia with, of course, Burger. We Outside, man. Official music video. That is just a banger, no? Oside never miss talaga. Every time na nag-drop yung Oside ng kanta, you already know this is gonna bang on TikTok na naman, no? Like, sometimes hindi mo alam kung yung pagsikat ng kanta ng Oside sa TikTok is a blessing or a curse, no? Kasi parang blessing siya, no? Kasi again, napakinggan natin or nasubaybayan natin yung Oside, no? Nung di pa sila ganun kasikat. Hanggang sa ngayon na of course halos lahat kilala sila, no? Dito sa channel natin. And syempre, nakakatuwang ma-recognize yung maaangas ng mga artists natin dito sa Pilipinas. Like yung tunog nila noon is sobrang nung bagong labas nila, sobrang kakaiba, no? Kaya marami talagang nagustuhan yung music ng Oside. But again, nung sumisikot yung mga kanta nila sa TikTok, nagiging overplayed no? Na parang hindi mo na tuloy ma-sound trip kasi every time na pumunta ka ng TikTok, lalaki, babae, ginagamit na pan TikTok yung music nila. So parang nagiging overplayed na siya, 'di ba? Parang nakatamad na painggan. Kasi sa paulit-ulit mo siya naririnig. But yeah, I mean, we already know now. This song, just give it a week, man. Just give it even a month. No, this is gonna bang on TikTok again. But yeah, that is our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that, man. If you want me to react to more of Oside, or if you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.